This is my final update for my vintage camper renovation, and it was all about the bathroom and kitchen. I installed a new vanity light and made this cute little cutout shelving nook, and then headed over to the shower where I created a faux stone look. And then, of course, I had to add a bath caddy, made that real quick, and we are looking spa-like up in here. I also finally found a copper sink for the bathroom, and then I painted the fridge, which apparently the internet trolls think looks like Burger King. So obviously I had to turn my attention to covering up the windows so nobody would notice that. Just kidding, I was gonna do that anyways. But I did get all my roller bamboo shades up on the inside while Chad worked on getting the front awning all done. This vacant area above the open arch that I created, I was trying to figure out what to do, so I covered it in cedar planks, made a ledge, and it's dry food storage. Next, we needed a place to hide the dang trash. That's always in the way, but luckily we had another vacant spot, so a trash can was put in. Then I started whittling away my heart to make the cutest gallery rail, stained it, started thinking I could start decorating, but there was a few other things we needed to take care of, like this stove needed to not be chrome. So I rub and buffed the edges, and then I got to work on all my tile. So I started dabbing my life away, and then I used more silicone caulking than anybody's ever used in their life. But I don't regret it one bit, because look how cute this gallery rail on this beautiful tile is. And now there's just one last missing piece, and that's the cushions. They were delivered, and then I pulled up, and Forrest Gump himself loaded them up in the truck. So keep following along to see it complete.